Hey guys, welcome back. We got this 2019 Hyundai Tucson. What liter is this? It's a 2 liter. So customer complaint is no AC. So I diagnosed it and found our condenser is leaking very slow. So today in this video, we're gonna be doing a condenser replacement. I already recovered what's left in the system, the refrigerant. This is a 1234YF refrigerant, right? That's your capacity for your system, 550 grams. So yeah, we're gonna lift up the vehicle, remove the undercover first, because we're gonna remove the front bumper. Okay, so I remove our undercover. Now we're gonna remove our side clips here for our fender liner. There's three clips, and then one screw at the end. Okay, so I lowered the vehicle. There's 4 clips and one 10mm bolt here, or 2 each side. So 1 each side, sorry. Okay, so next is we're ready to remove our bumper assembly. So start with your side, just pull it like that. It's gonna come off. Same thing on the other side. Okay, and just be careful. Okay, so oops, I removed this main connector here for these 2 lights here. So you don't have to remove this, just remove the main connector. I didn't see the main connector, so that's why you're gonna remove, right, the main connector. Okay, so here's a part number for this 2019 Hyundai Tucson for condenser, right? So our connection will be on this side. As you can see, there's 2 lines there. It's going to our condenser. I don't know if we need to remove this, or we just need to remove all these plastic trims here. Let's try without removing the beam, right? Unlike on our, I call that, the corner that we did, I had to remove it. So I think it looks like we have some space here. So let's try removing our plastic trim piece here, so maybe we can wiggle this out without removing this guy here. Okay, so we're removing this piece in this one. There's a plastic tab there, and then the tab from the condenser. You just have to, push it out, right? And then you can just, wiggle it out. So let's do the other side. Okay, so now Okay, so the bottom part, I don't think we need to move that. And here's our mounting, right? Or it's just a slide on. So we need to remove this guy, 12 mm. Okay, so I'm just gonna use penetrating fluid to put it in there on the slide on area, the plastic. And then we can just pull this guy and slide it out. There you go. And just go slowly. So here's our old condenser. As you can see, this side here, this part here, we got some oil residue. It's not leaking from this side, so I had to lift up this vehicle. I used the infrared ultrasound detector. I had to lift this vehicle and put our probe at the back, and it was leaking from this side. So the only time that I used that was because when I used my ultraviolet light, I saw some green stuff here, but when I put the probe, it was not leaking. I guess the direction of the flow of the leak is not towards in here, but towards on the other side. So yeah, I usually use ultraviolet light and ultrasonic infrared, not ultrasonic, but infrared detector, right? That's what it says in the tool. So here's our condenser. That was pretty easy and straightforward. So let's just remove this. As you can see there, that can obstruct our airflow. This is a rad. So I'm just gonna clean this up here, and then we're gonna install our new condenser. Okay, so we're gonna install our new condenser. Just be careful, right? And we just have to slide this in. Okay, so you have to do it together. Line up before you slide it down, right? There we go. So that's tight. Remove your cover here on the side. So I'm just gonna wipe this down. I didn't have any new gasket that I ordered, but I didn't know that they have this type of gasket here. It's like a washer rubber. Okay. And then we're gonna torque that to 23.9 foot-on. Okay, next is our plastic cover here, or the protected side here. So I remove this while sliding it. It's like this. So it's kind of a bit struggle because you're gonna, this plastic here, you have to be over on this pipe. So it's doable, but you know, you just have, at least this is plastic, you can just bet it. Next is I'm gonna do this side. Okay, that's easy. Yes, there's so much space there. And then I just have to put our front bumper, lower engine cover. Don't forget your connector for daytime running light and fog light, your bolts, your clips, and at least do a minimum 30 minutes, right? Vacuum the system and recharge the system. And as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 YF system. They always put the sticker there, the capacity of the refrigerant. So yeah, that's how you replace a condenser on a 2019 Hyundai Tucson.